go. Woo.
Like someone caught me your ass and died, nigga. God damn.
Junior? Hey, how did you get in my house? The door was open. I thought I would come in. Are you sick? Cause you cut. Why do you have all the toilet paper? My stomach hurt. Nah, man, you gotta go. You can't. I cannot get sick, bro. You gotta go. No, please. Just let me stay. I mean, I could clean up. I could shoot for you. I could be your cameraman. Whatever you need, please. Just let me stay. I don't got nowhere to go. I even got some shoes for you. Okay. Let me see them. What you got? These are all yours. Brand new. Here. Take them. All right. I'm going to need those and the toilet paper. Okay. I'll give you one roll. Ooh, run that, man. Hey, man. Stay as long as you need. As long as you need. Oh, thank God. Can I get a thumbs up for the skit? And gentlemen, ooh-wee. Hey man, forget about giving away sneakers, man. We about to start. You get a toilet paper. You get a toilet paper. Man, stores are still like mad sold out. It's actually crazy. You know, at first, it kind of seemed like, oh no, we're gonna run out of food. What are we gonna do? And then, bro, there's no toilet paper. It's like, soon, if y'all follow like any of the deal pages, like even Deals Under Cost or like Fat Kid Deals on Twitter, like as soon as he's like, Lysol restock, toilet paper restock, it's gone. Hey man, all I know is, wipe your booty. Better start getting them cloths, man. Put them under some warm water and just... What's going on, Sneak Geeks? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy ASneakerLife for the one time. Curse and a blessing with what's going on, right? Originally, a lot of the sneaker websites, Foot Locker, Finish Line, just everyone that you can think of did a lot, and it's still going on. A lot of big sales that are going on right now. So I was able to finally pick these up, man. I can't even, what is this, like from 2018 or 2019 when Nike first came up with these? They are the Joy Rides. What is retail? $180. I got them for $50, brand new. And maybe because it's not the most popular colorway, but I don't really care. For me, it was just like, I really wanted to get my hands on a pair of these. A lot of you guys have different opinions on how you felt about the sneaker, but man, I just really wanted to get a pair, especially since we can still like go outside. You know, you can still go for a run. So I'm excited to own this. I did get them in a size 12 and I did try them on right away. They do seem really, really snug. Like it wouldn't have been a bad idea for me to go up a size or even half a size, but I don't really mind like it being too tight. Now, the one thing that's been really bad with Nike shoes, like for me recently, even shoes that I just like love so much, for some reason, the heel tab, I don't know if it's just the way my foot is, has been killing me. Now, I haven't actually worn these yet, but just this material on a lot of the Nike running shoes that they do ends up killing my heel. It like stabs in the back of it. So I'm hoping that's not the case, but man, $50. I'd say this is one of the biggest steals for a sneaker that I've gotten in a while. I'd love to know what has been the biggest steal that you guys have gotten. Let me know down below in the comments, or kind of just what do you think about the Joy Rides? Are they worth that $180 price point? Was this really a steal? Would you pay $50 for it? And what do you think about this colorway? I think it's pretty tough. One thing I wish this had was like some 3M on it. I could put my own 3M on it, but you know, like let's say you're running at night and like the flashing of a car or something, boom, that 3M would be crazy on this sneaker. So I'm excited. I'm super excited, and I will give you guys like an update maybe in like 2 weeks or so on, you know, how these are. They don't even bend. You know, like free runs you can bend. You can't even bend these. I almost want to watch a video. Let's watch a video together. Let's see what's up with these. I want to know like behind the design. So this is on Nike's channel. Let's check it out.
Running is hard. Whether you're talking to an elite runner who's beat up from marathon training or you're talking to your first-time runner, the idea of personalized cushioning really came to us because we've all sat in a beanbag chair. We wanted to put that feeling inside of a shoe. Beads are really the magic behind Joyride. Under compression, the air that's trapped between the beads is allowed to escape, which allows for cushioning. Our innovation partners have been working on identifying the right material and the exact size and shape of each of the beads. So combined with pressure maps, you get beads placed exactly where you need them for this amazing personalized cushioning.
Okay, so that was the original Nike Joyride run. So what's going on with this specific model? CC3 setter. I just want to see what people think about these. I mean, obviously I need my own first impressions and like, I just need to go on a run, which I'm definitely going to do today. It's nice out. So cool, almost comfy, more comfortable than Boost. I really like these, love these. 3.9 out of 4 stars. That's pretty solid. So, I mean, at the end of the day, it's just going to come down to my foot and how I feel about them. But yeah, man, huge still. Very excited to have these and just looking forward to what they have to offer. But this is your boy, Sneaker Life. Always remember, patience, save pockets. I'll see you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air.